welcome to my channel again. This is Opal, Jessica here and there, and this is a real online order, and this is not open yet. We will unbox it and see what's in there. I placed an order on October 2nd, and it was shipped on October 5, and I received an email from UPS where I always pick up my order, and for if it's real, they have to be shipped in the UPS because I'm always not home. So no, I'm always at home. Sorry, because I work at home, and it's October 11. It's ready for pickup, so it's fast, right? And let us see what's inside. Alright, see, it's new, and it's a Louis Vuitton monogram pattern Bernese patent leather zippy wallet. Oh, have fun. Let us see what's inside. Let's open it. Bear with me because I am this one is okay. I have a box cutter, but I can't find it where it is. Let us just use this one. Okay. It's supposed to be, come on. Let me see. Sorry, just bear with me. Almost there. Almost there. We're almost there. Sorry. Oh, there it is. Or is this the inside? There's the inside, and it comes with this. It says real. I don't know if I pronounced right. Real. Okay, and it's nice. Hey, look at that. In the pouch, their pouch. Yes, this be authenticate every item. Yeah, sure it is. And they have that if you wanna return. I don't think it can be returned. Okay, let us see. I don't know what it says. It's in a good condition. I hope it is. Alright, look at inside. Oh my goodness. So very. Ooh. Okay. Wow, this looks new. See, look at it. Looks new. It looks new. Oh my goodness, that's damn nice. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It seems new. Yeah. And I have this like my fourth CP wallet. I love the CP. It's like a clutch. You can put everything. Oh my goodness. Amazing. It looks new. Oh wow. Look at that. And I love this section right here. It's too many things. Too many, right? Too many to put your stuff. See? Right there. That's not too old. It's like new. Oh my goodness, nothing. I'm a firm believer. I like it. Okay, let me talk to you about it. It's a It's a monogram pattern Bernese pattern leather zippy wallet. I got it for $495 and it's 50% off. And I got it only for $247.50 after 50%. And then there's a store credit for $25, and there's I use my credit card and it gives me $60 off if I buy at PBL. So it ended up like I only paid $197 for this wallet, and the original price was $1,030. It's a Louis Vuitton zippy wallet. It's burgundy Bernese patent leather. Okay, monogram pattern, gold tone hardware, leather lining, and 7 interior pockets with card slots. See, look at that. And exposed zip closure. Okay, it's height 4 inches, width 7.5, depth 7.75. It says it's a good moderate scuffs at exterior, moderate scratches and tarnishing at hardware, minor creasing at corners, minor residue and discoloration at interior. Well, for me it's perfect. Oh my goodness, I only paid $180 something after everything, all the deduction of credit card and the rebates, and it's awesome. So I really recommend buying at BeReal because they're really authenticated, slightly used. See, cannot even postmark. I got this. Maybe I'm gonna get this for like, and it used to be $495 and used to be $1,030. Then in new, and then sold it used $495 and then 50% off and all my other things. Oh my god, amazing! It's so pretty for winter. Alright, there you go again. See you next time. And it's Opal Jessica here and there, and showing you my CP wallet, Louis Vuitton burgundy Bernese. Oh wow, so excited to use this for winter. Alright, bye guys, and hope to see you again. Alright, thank you so much. Hope you subscribe. Oh, here are the thing. See, a little bit tarnishing, but